Welcome to DJMT.
Welcome now once again to DJMT. Make na do to the follow us, like, share, subscribe. As I now they bring out the Ogbonge news, they come your way. On today's news, my people, not be small thing they are put for Naija with all these plenty things where they go on, especially with our men on uniform. One incident happened for Ibadan where one small pikin pie, and many people don't come out to talk say this thing na because say the papa dey run for these men on uniform. A lot of people get many things to talk for this matter wey happen for Ibadan, but very dark man don come outside though to talk say these men on uniform dey make people dey fear them. How many will fit talk, my people? I wan play on the video make una hear very dark man say for this matter. Make una watch this video reach the end.
First thing I want to say is this. I watched the whole video, and from the whole video, the people in the car, I don't know why people are running away. What are you running from? They call you, even if, according to the story, that the people are labeled the Yahoo boy, even if they label you Yahoo boy, why are you running away? Because I watched the video, they didn't chase you now. They chase you now. Why? Park your car. If they tell you to park, you park. They tell you to park, you park. How many police citizens for this country they operate with head, especially the ones where they road? How many? A lot of these policemen you see on the road, they are frustrated by the system. They are frustrated by the system. You think all the police on the road they work with sense? You think all of them they are professionals? A lot of them are frustrated by the system. This same police where they see, so you see all of them where they pay them well. They are not paying them well. A lot of them are frustrated from where they live, from the children's school fees and a lot of things. I'm not saying that's a justifiable reason why they will act anyhow they act. But please, as a Nigerian, if they stop here, you stop. Now they stop una and no stop. They start to the chase. You eat your cards, boom. They open fire. You don't lead to one person will buy. If to say you park, the highest thing will go up when they carry you go police station. Yes, police brutality will count down, but no life would have been lost. For the past how many weeks now, it is police brutality here and there, police spying here and there. Only me don't record how many. I don't record one for Calabar, where happened recently, where they take the guy to hospital. Police shoots the guy. Go drop the guy for hospital. They don't take care of the guy. Now, me still send 500K go that place. Police didn't do nothing. Police didn't do nothing. Another girl again, that girl where they do recycling. Now so police harass her again. I still send money go there. There's another one again where see happen for Kwara State. That one police arrest the guy, say you owe person money. The guy they go sell. From there, inside cell, police come now. They say, according to the story, say the guy hang himself inside cell. For the past how many this year alone, police buying done plenty. What is the IG doing about it? Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. What's the police police commission doing about it? Absolutely nothing. The people where they put where they supposed to protect us turn now, they buy us. Security operative in Nigeria, they don't start. Just the mount attack on different Nigerians from nowhere. Police go do, yes, she go do, this one go do, that one go do. What is the police IG doing about this?
To drop una comment for comment section, like and share this video. Until we come your way again with another news, make una always do well to stay safe. Una do.
DJ AP.